Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the download location on Steam. Let's begin. First, open Steam Client, log into your account, and once you are here, I want you to click on this section at the top left, Steam, then go to Settings. Then I want you to scroll down and locate Storage, this, right? Then here you will notice local drive C. If you click on the drop down, it will reveal more options. You will see in here, or it will list all of the available drives you have. You can select local drive C, or if you want to choose another folder, click on add drive. Then just easily browse and select where you want all of your downloads will be located. So select folder and it will automatically show up in here. And then that's it. You can now close everything, and from now on, everything is good to go. Downloads will be on that specific folder you selected. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.